We are back at Lushan Country Life with Jay and his team. And as you pass by, guys, we just want to know how you feel about this experience. Just come right along.
It's been a great experience, and Jay has got infinite knowledge on the plants.
Yeah. Thank you. That's nice though.
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience, and Jay's got fantastic knowledge and he's a great personality. It's been very interesting seeing all the different fruits, and Jay's been very informative. Thank you.
A very happy experience and very knowledgeable. Thank you.
Well worth visiting, come along.
Excellent. Jay, very informative, very helpful.
I can say. Very informative, very helpful. Lovely to see things in a natural state.
Yes, very interesting.
Thank you. Hard work.
Quite informative.
Very informative, interesting to see Lushan Life.